and welcome to IT Insights. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 simple steps to improve your website SEO and gain more traffic. Step 1. Keyword research. The first step to improving your website SEO is to conduct keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find high-volume keywords that are relevant to your business. Once you have a list of keywords, use them in your website content, meta tags, and descriptions. Step 2. Optimize your website. The second step is to optimize your website. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, has a fast loading speed, and has a clear site structure. Use header tags 1, 8, 2, 3 to organize your content and make it easier for search engines to crawl your site. Step 3. Create high-quality content. The third step is to create high-quality content. Make sure your content is relevant, informative, and engaging. Use your target keywords in your content, but don't overdo it. Aim for a keyword density of 1–2%. Step 4. Build backlinks. The fourth step is to build backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your website. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the higher your website will rank in search engine results. Reach out to other websites in your industry and ask if they would be willing to link to your website. Step 5. Use video SEO. The fifth and final step is to use video SEO. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, so it's important to optimize your videos for search. Use keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and tags. Use closed captions and transcripts to make your videos more accessible and improve user experience. Remember to conduct keyword research, optimize your website, create high-quality content, build backlinks, and use video SEO. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.